Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week we are doing another weekend adventure in Ontario, but this time we are at Hockley Ski Resort, which is just probably about, what is it, hour
and a half almost.
Yeah, from like Stony Creek, but then if you're leaving from Toronto, I think it's about an hour from there as well. But it is so cool. We just checked into our hotel, so we have this beautiful room. We have the 2 beds. We have a D. It's like a little lounge area. I'm gonna save the best for last, which is out there, but like just TV and whatnot all there. Oh, mini fridge. Little fridge if you have any snacks, which we obviously do. A mirror to check your outfits. Ayo. And I don't know why I always show, but I mean, it's a bathroom. So we have that. But it's such a beautiful room. And then what's really cool is you never really see this anymore at hotels. Oh, I should really put my shoes on again. But oh well. We have a little patio. It is so beautiful. And we have a Nicole. Yeah. Found the spot. It is on the 3rd level. Oh, they even have some nice little like winter accessories. Meeting rooms. Fitness center. Indoor pool. Hot tub. And we found a cheese cave. Found the restaurant. Now we're hanging out in the lounge area. So they have like a bar down there where Nicole just got her iced coffee, which she says is very good. Very, very good. Very good. And she's picky with her coffee, so you know it's good if Nicole says it's good. And then Dee's down there. She's getting us some Negronis because that is our favorite drink. So we're gonna have one of those, and we're just gonna hang out in this lobby area because Amanda's gonna be here soon. And she'll be coming through those doors, so then we can see as she comes in. And then we're gonna go exploring around maybe the outside of the resort. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you all of that because as far as we've seen so far, it is so beautiful here that we're just probably gonna take like 100 photos.
Give or take 100.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot. So make sure to go to all our Instagrams. I'm gonna put like all over here and go visit all of us. So we'll catch you guys soon, bye. There was 3, and now there's 4.
Hey guys.
Amanda got here. The whole crew's here, so now we're gonna go outside and we're gonna go exploring outside of the resort and see what it has in store. So let's go.
Oh no, that's a hole.
Did anyone else used to ever do this? And you'd do this in the snow, and then you'd have Bigfoot. Let me know if you guys ever did that. Just do a whole bunch of them. I bet some kids who come here later will totally understand what this is. Bigfoot. We just ran around the resort and took like a whole bunch of different photos, like I said, as bloggers do. So now tonight we're heading to our winery, which is just down the street, maybe like a minute drive, but it's really cool because they offer you a free shuttle so you can drink responsibly. So we're gonna take the shuttle down to the winery. Oh, there's Nicole. We're gonna take that, and we have dinner plans there, and then obviously a glass of wine. And then we're going to come back to the hotel, just hang out for the night. And then tomorrow morning, we're actually going to the spa here. Some of us have facials. Some others have massages. So we're going to do that. And that is our plan. So we're going to keep you along for the ride and see what else happens. Are you excited?
Yes.
It's beautiful here, isn't it?
It's actually very warm outside considering it's Canadian winter.
It's true. Like, we're not as cold.
I mean, my hands are turning a little red now, but we were out without jackets and
yeah,
still fine.
But other than that, it's not too bad. You think it'd be a lot colder, but we're doing pretty well.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
We just got to the winery, so we're at Adamo Winery. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. But we're here, we just took some photos and we're having a glass of wine, and then we're gonna go upstairs and have dinner. We got the ladies, where are you? over there. So we're gonna head up right now, and yeah, we'll show you what we're all having for dinner. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We are still at Hockley. We just finished breakfast and now we are just hanging out. We found this like cute little like lounge area, and took some more photos out there. It's really pretty like all around this whole resort. So now, like I said, we're just killing some time and we have our spa appointments in about an hour. So we're gonna go do that. I have a facial planned. You guys have the massages. And then Nicole also has a facial too. So I'll let you know how all that was as well. But we're very excited because we need some pampering. It's going to be nice. Amanda is super excited for her massage.
Oh, yes.
She's very excited. We just finished, well, I just finished my facial. You had your facial, they had massages, and it was amazing. I didn't think it would be, I guess, like so much happening. So we even did like a foot massage, got a hand massage, head massage. I had like my feet wrapped in like a little like blanket thing. They're all like nice and warm. It was like one of the best facials I think I've ever had. They even, what do you call it when they were?
Extraction.
Yes, they did that. So everything, my face is all good now. Apparently I need to exfoliate a little bit more, which I am definitely going to start doing. But one of the best facials I've ever had. Were you guys good? Yeah. Sadly, it is time to go, but I had to show you guys one last view of the snow coming down because it is so beautiful at this resort. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to ski and snowboard this time, but that means that if you don't ski or snowboard, there's so much more to do at this resort. So you can come, just hang out, go to the winery like we did. There's so much to do. So we want to thank Hockley for having us this weekend. We had such an amazing time and we can't wait to come back another time, maybe in the summer, and kind of see it in a different way. But yeah, thank you so much for having us and we loved it so much. We don't want to go home, but we have to. But as always, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as I'm back every week with more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.